Second experiment, verification of the reciprocity theorem. So with the help of this knob, you can adjust this voltage. This voltage is 5.12 volt. You can adjust 5 volt, 7 volt, 8 volt, 10 volt, any value you can adjust. Now, when we have adjusted it to 5.12 volt, remove this completely, switch off this kit. Now, let us make the connections. So, first, this is the first end of the input. It is connected to 1K. T network, first end 1K. This point is T junction, it is connected, it's not required to connect it again. Next is this value, another value of resistance is connected to ammeter positive. This is ammeter positive, it's connected to another one end of the resistance. Negative end is connected to lower end of the 1K, this value. Next, same 1K, same value of the 1K is connected to another value of the 1K, lower end. After connecting this particular value, the upper end of 1K, this upper end of 1K is connected to negative. So it makes the complete connection of the reciprocity theorem. Now let us switch on the supply. After switching on the supply, the current is 0.9697 milliampere. So this is the value of the current flowing through that particular branch. Means we can say this is the value of the output current flowing through that circuit when value of E1 is 5.16 or 5 volt. Now this is the first part of the experiment. Now as I have already told you that we have to interchange the position of the input and output. So what we will do, we will remove the connections again. We can adjust it here also, but for understanding purpose, let us remove all these connections. After removing all these connections, now let us start from the supply. Negative end of the supply, this is the negative end of the supply, is connected to 1K. This is the value of the 1K. Same end of 1K, same end of 1K is another end of 1K is connected to lower end of 1K. Upper end of 1K, upper end of 1K is connected to ammeter negative. Upper end of 1K is connected to ammeter negative. Ammeter positive is connected to 1K. Ammeter positive is connected to 1K. Next, T junction, it's not required to connect. And this 1 ohm is connected to this positive end. Now, let us switch on the supply. See, this current is again, we will get this current as 0.93, 0.95 milliampere. Means it proves that after interchanging the position of the input source, the current flowing through the particular branch or output current remains same. Hence we can say that reciprocity theorem is verified.